Hey, fantastic sellers and buyer magnets, ready to turn one-time buyers into lifelong fans? Today, we're diving into the art of customer loyalty and linking it to FeetFinder, your go-to platform for dazzling foot content. Let's jump into making those connections last. Let's kick off with the basics. Knowing your crowd. Understanding your customers is like solving a puzzle, and who doesn't love puzzles, right? We'll sketch out customer personas, digging into their needs and desires. This is your first step towards a loyalty loop. And hey, if you're on FeetFinder, this means knowing what foot content aficionados crave. Who doesn't love getting a buzz from perks and incentives? They're the thank you notes that keep your customers feeling valued and special. In the world of FeetFinder, this translates to offering exclusive content, sneak peeks behind the scenes, or even special discounts for your loyal followers. Think of it as your way of rolling out the red carpet for them. By doing so, you're not just making a sale, you are creating an experience that makes them feel like VIPs. It's about fostering a community where each buyer is recognized and appreciated. So let's explore how these little tokens of appreciation can actually make a very big impact. All right, showtime. With these customer loyalty strategies, you're ready to make a splash on FeetFinder. Registering and getting verified is a breeze. Capture and upload limitless images of your gorgeous feet, style them, get candid, and create a gallery that keeps buyers returning. And that's how you make them stay and slay. Remember, customer loyalty is your business's BFF, and FeetFinder is the playground where you can apply these strategies for your feet content. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on skyrocketing your online presence. Check out FeetFinder, the safest and most user-friendly platform for feet enthusiasts. Until next time, keep those customers coming back for more and let your FeetFinder journey be foot-tastic. Bye for now.